Hello students, today let's study about solution of homogeneous partial differential equation. Okay, homogeneous partial differential equation. Okay, see the problem, solve dou square z by dou y square is equal to z given, they are given two conditions. Okay, later we'll discuss that. See, you can observe here dou square z by dou y square. Here in partial derivative of second order, it's with respect to y only. So, that's what we can write it as d square z by dy square. Okay, z is differentiated twice with respect to one variable, that is y only. That's what I can write it as d square z by dy square, and shifting z to left side minus z equal to 0. Now it reduced to the homogeneous ordinary differential equation form. So this is of the form d square minus 1 of z is equal to 0. Z is depend on y. Here, so d square minus 1 of z equal to 0. So auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 equal to 0. M square is equal to plus 1. M is equal to plus or minus 1. So here z, c, complementary function. Okay, we are having two roots, both are distinct, real and distinct. So c1 e power 1 y plus c2 e power minus y. Okay, so this is z, c. So after this, here homogeneous equation, that's what complementary function itself, the general solution. So we have to find out there are two constants c1 and c2. By using the given initial condition, we have to find out. So first condition is what? Given that y is 0, e power x is z. When y is 0, e power x is z. So I'll substitute this, and second condition is dou z by dou y. So we need to differentiate z partially with respect to y. Okay. So before that I'll differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to 1. Okay. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to y. So dou z by dou y is equal to c1 e power y, e power y differentiation is e power y itself, plus c2 e power minus y differentiation is e power minus y into minus 1. So dou z by dou y is, this is the expression. So here we have to substitute the second condition, that is equation 2. So equation 1, in equation 1 and 2 I will substitute the condition. So equation 1, see here, so when y is 0, z is e power x. Okay. So I will substitute in place of y 0, c1 into e power 0. E power 0 means 1. c1 plus e power again 0, that is c2. c1 plus c2 is, z value is e power x. c1 plus c2 is equal to e power x. Similarly for the equation 2, that is dou z by dou y, also I will substitute the given condition. What is the condition? See, dou z by dou y is e power minus x. E power minus x is equal to, so here the condition, that is y is 0. When y is 0 again substitute, both become c1 plus of minus. Here c1 minus c2. Okay, dou z by dou y, see here y 0, e power 0 means c1 plus c2 e power again 0 is 1 only. So here negative is there. So c1 minus c2. Now these two are two simultaneous equation. So solving the above two equation. Solving equation 3 and 4. So c1 plus c2 is equal to e power x. c1 minus c2 is equal to e power minus x. So by adding these two equations, c2 plus c2 minus c2 get cancelled. 2c1 is equal to e power x plus e power minus x. Otherwise c1 is e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. This is the expression is c1 is equal to, this is the definition of cos hyperbolic x, cos hx. Okay. Similarly, we can substitute c1, otherwise c2. So same equation I will do by subtracting, means c minus c1 plus c2. c1 get cancelled. You will get 2c2 is equal to e power x minus e power minus x. Equation 3 and 4 subtracting. You can calculate equation 3 minus 4. So you will get 2c2 is equal to e power x minus e power x. c2 is equal to e power x minus e power x divided by 2. This is the definition of sine hyperbolic x. Okay. So the solution is z is equal to, so C1 is what? Cos hx, cos hyperbolic x into e power y. Then C2 is sine hyperbolic x e power minus y. This is our required solution. Yes, let's do the next problem. Dou square z by dou x square plus 3 dou z by dou x minus 4z is equal to 0. Given that condition is when z is 1 and dou z by dou x is y, when x is 0. Okay. So here we can observe that dou square z by dou x square, second derivative of z with respect to x, second term dou z by dou x and minus 4z. Both are derivative with respect to x only. That's what I can write it as d square z by dx square plus 3 into dz by dx minus 4z equal to 0. So d square plus 3d minus 4 of z equal to 0. Okay. So auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. It is factorizable. So here m plus 4 into m minus 1 equal to 0. Plus 4m minus 1 is minus 1m is plus 3m. So it is factorizable. So m is minus 4 and m is equal to plus 1. So here z is a function of dou z by dou x. So solution z is in terms of x. So m minus 4. So while writing constant, you can take c1 e power minus 4x plus c2 e power 1x. Otherwise, we are doing partial differential equation. That's what constant I can take it as with respect to y. So f of y into e power minus 4x plus g of y into e power 1x. Like this also you can take. So understood constant will be in terms of function of y. Otherwise, you can take c1, c2. Then finally answer will be in terms of y only. That both are okay. You can take it. So now after this we need to find out f of y and g of y by using the condition. The condition is when x is 0, z is 1 and zx, dou z by dou x is y. So I need to find out, first we'll find out dou z by dou x. So dou z by dou x is equal to f of y is constant because partial differentiation with respect to x we are doing. So treating y as constant. E power minus 4x differentiation is e power minus 4x into minus 4 plus again g of y is constant. E power x differentiation is e power x. So this is dou z by dou x. So I'll call this as equation 1, this as equation 2. First equation 1, I'll substitute the condition in equation 1. In equation 1, we need to substitute when x is 0, z is 1. So 1 is equal to f of y into e power 0, 4x, e power 0 is 1 plus g of y into e power, again x is 0, e power 0 is 1. So we got first one, f of y plus g of y is 1. Similarly, in the second equation, dou z by dou x is y is equal to f of y into e power minus 4x, e power 0 is 1 plus g of e power minus 4 is here, see minus 4 is there, minus 4 into f of y plus e power 0 is 1, it is g of y. So we are having these two equations. These two equations are simultaneous equation. We need to simplify this 3 and 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. So okay, so first I'll add these two, subtracting. So by equation 3 minus 4. So f of y plus g of y is equal to 1. Next to minus 4 f of y plus g of y is equal to y. Subtracting means minus changes to plus, plus changes to minus, again minus, gy plus gy minus gy get cancelled. 5 f of y is equal to 1 minus y. So we got f of y is 1 minus y by 5. Okay. So okay, you can substitute f of y in any one of the equation. I will substitute in equation 3. So I will substitute f of y in equation 1. So f of y plus f of y is 1 minus y divided by 5, then plus g of y is equal to 1. So g of y is equal to 1 minus of 1 minus y divided by 5. So taking LCM 5, we'll get 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Minus into minus plus. 4 plus 5 by y. This is g of y. So put f of y and g of y in equation 1. That is our solution. Yes, thank you.